Today, we celebrate International Volunteers Day. We in AFS Philippines would like to extend our sincerest appreciation to the never-ending support and commitment of our more than 53,000 volunteers all over the world who share the hard work and passion in helping other people. The impact you gave us continuously inspire us to perform better in our advocacy, in fostering harmony and peace in different communities through the different ICL programs that we have in our organization.
It is impossible to attain these goals without you. Your meaningful role and commitment have proved that anyone can make a difference.
As we approach the year 2020, we believe that our vision to increase active AFS volunteers will become a reality through each and every one of you. Join us, become a well-pledged global citizen, and see for yourself that it's all worth it.
Maraming salamat, AFS Volunteers!